Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to remove yourself from my list Twitter app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting an Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click the Amazon Prime trial subscription link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to remove yourself from my list Twitter app. First, we start by opening up your Twitter app. So once you open up your Twitter app, you're going to arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner where you're going to see the three bars. So make sure you tap on those three bars on the left on the upper left hand corner, those three bars right there, the menu. So tap there. Then you're going to arrive here on this main screen. Make sure that you tap where it says list right there. So tap where it says list right there. When you tap there, you're going to arrive here on this main screen. So just scroll a little bit down until you see where it says your list right there, and it's up to you to decide like what list you want to remove yourself. So for me, I want to remove from the school district right there. So make sure you tap on the list that you want to remove yourself. Then since you want to remove yourself, make sure that you tap where it says unfollow right there. As you guys can see, unfollow. So make sure you tap there for unfollow, and that's how you remove yourself from my list Twitter app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.